How to create free landing page with Google Sites. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free landing page with Google Sites. So let's get into this. First of all, let me tell you that Google Sites is a platform by Google, and here you can create a very good website and you can get a domain for your website, and it is completely free. So you can also create a landing page for your website with Google Sites, or any landing page that you want for your business, for your profile and whatever. So you can create that using Google Sites. It's very easy. So as you can see that I have opened Google Sites .com for me right now, and this is their main page, and you can sign in with your own Gmail that you have. It's very easy, like there's no hard and fast thing about that. You can just simply have your email and password added, and then you can simply log in. After that, this will be your homepage of Google Sites, and here you can see that you have an option to create a new site from a blank template, like it is completely blank, and you also have some templates that you can work on. So let me show you the template gallery. Here you can see that you have a restaurant, event, portfolio, etc. Then you have your work profile, your project team, events, etc. And then you have your dog walker. These are the small business profiles that you can use for yourself, and these are the education profiles, student portfolio, club, class, etc. So you can create a free landing page using one of these templates. It will be easier for you to edit everything and to basically make everything work. But I'm just going to, or you can create a blank one. I'm going to choose a template right now because using a template is a lot easier when you are a beginner, because everything is adjusted and you can see where everything should be adjusted and what looks good. You have a basic idea of where what to put where, so you can basically go on and you can, the editing options are endless. Like you can basically even if you choose a template, you can create a whole new thing out of it. You don't have to basically stick by it. Nothing is permanent in that template as well. What it does is just it gives you the idea of how you can go on and how you can basically continue with maintaining or using your landing page or website. So I'm just going to use this holiday party template right here. It is a landing page. It is basically a party invitation for a holiday party. That can be Christmas, or that can be any holiday that's coming up. It can be Easter or whatever. So you can use this as it is. So first of all, as you can see that I am creating a landing page right now. So that's why the pages, you don't have to go into the number of pages, because landing page is only one page. The next thing is you have an option to insert. In the insert option, you can see you have an option to insert text box, images. You can embed any link, and you can also add anything from your Google Drive as well. Then you have your content blocks. You can see that this is a block where you can enter an image and then text, two images, text below, three images right in the center, and there are other options of adding table of contents, image carousel, and button divider, spacer. Like these are all the things that you can add on to your website or your landing page. So let me go on to the pages first of all, and I'm going to delete all of these pages because I don't need them, as I am creating a landing page and I'm not creating a website. So I'm just going to delete all of these pages right now, and then just going to work on this one page that I have. Okay, so this is a holiday party, obviously, so that's why you can see that the image is related to holiday. So now I'm just going to, you can change the image of the header if you want to, and you can also change the header type from here. So there are three header types. This is the cover header. You can have a large banner, you can have a simple banner, or you can have a title only. I guess for when you're creating a landing page, a large banner is enough, because you have to get the enough space for the things that you are going to add below, because this is only one page thing. And you can also when you are creating this, you can see that the cover header is like, it gets too big. You can just go with the large banner. So I'm just going to go with a large banner, and then I'm going to change the image right here. So I'm just going to select from the gallery. You can use Shutterstock is available on Google site, so you can just go on and search on the Google, and you can search any image that you want. I'm just going to search, and I'm going to search for holiday. Okay, so here you can see that I have searched holiday, and in the holiday I have found a couple of things. So this is the picture that I like, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to add it on my profile. And as you can see, it looks really good, it looks really pretty to me. So I'm just going with this. Then you can change the text. You have an option to do that as well. Like for example, when you click on this, you have an option to change the text. You can change the type of the text, like it is now title. You can make it heading, subheading. Then you can change the font. It is right now Georgia. Let's say I want to make it this one. And okay, so I have to select that first. Wait a second, and I'm going to click on the this, and I'm going to make it like this. So join us for our annual holiday party. It does now look like this. Then you have an option to change the font size if you want to. You can bold it, make it, let's say I want to bold it, then you can make it italic, you can underline it, and you can also change the text color if you want. Like if I want to make blue, it's going to look like this. It doesn't look good, so I'm just going to switch it to white again. But yeah, but you can do that. Then you can also embed the link to this. If you want to insert any link, you can just go on and, for example, click on this, paste and apply. So this link has been applied to this. Whenever a person is going to click on this title, they're going to reach the link that you have just added. Then you can align it, and then you have more options as well. You can basically change the line spacing, you can increase indent, decrease indent, and strike through and everything. So you can check it out whatever you want. Then you have an option, because this is a pre-made landing page, you have an option of all of these things. What you want to add, what kind of party it is, name of the party, holiday, Christmas party, New Year party, Easter party, whatever party it is. Then you can have an option to add the where, the location of the party. It is very important that you add that. And then you have a time, like when is this happening, and the date of when it is happening, and this is the address of where it is happening. So you can add all of these things right here because it looks good, and these are the must things that should be added on the landing page of a party invitation. Then you have an option of they have added a small description of what this party is going to be about, and how if there are any performances, who is going to perform, who is going to play the music and everything. So you can add all of these details to make people more interested in attending your party. So this is very important. Whenever you are making a landing page, you have to basically be careful about what are things you want to add. So these are some things that you should add. Like if you are, for example, if you are making a landing page for a fundraiser, and you are an organization or a welfare organization, so you have to add the purpose of the fundraiser, who are you raising the fund for, in this kind of paragraph. Then you have to add some of the images, like they have added like this. You can add that from this image carousel right here. So you have to add these because it makes it a little bit of interactive and also keeps them engaged. Then you have to add how you can, if you are making it for a fundraiser, then you can add a link to the form where they can donate the money. You can make it on Google Forms. It's very easy to make that. So depending upon the type of landing page that you're creating, you have to add the things according to that. Then if there's a dress code, they have entered the dress code for the party. We're recommending semi-formal attire, since we are leaving directly from the office. Plan on bringing your party clothes and changing before we leave. So this is what the plan it is about. So you can change it depending upon your own type. Then you have an RSVP right here. You can edit it if you want to, or you can change the viewership of for this footer as well. So this is how you can create a very simple and very beautiful landing page using Google Sites. After you're done with that, just click on this option of publish, or you can also save it, or you can publishing it. What you can do is you can have it, you can share it with others with this option, and you can send it to them via email. And after publishing it, you are going to get a shareable link for this, and you can share it to the people through the link as well. So after you're done with sharing, you can basically make a very good landing page. And as you can see, that it looks really attractive. It looks very simple but really catchy. So you can go on and check it out, and it is completely free, and this makes it a little bit more amazing. So as you can see, the options for you for your creativity are endless. Like if you want to add any social links, you have an option, placeholder, YouTube calendar. You can also integrate calendars, you can integrate documents, you can integrate slides, sheets, forms, maps, like all like when you're adding the address of the party, you can integrate the map, a Google map, and you can pin the location of the party, and you can add it in your form as well. It will make it appear really good, and also really it will be very easy for the people to reach your party. So these are options that you can do, and you can basically use, and you can make a really good thing out of it. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.